Hey y'all, it is me, Xureila, and I am back with another wig review video. Today's wig is by Junoda Wig, and this is a 22-inch 4x4 180% density deep wave lace closure wig. I love me some lace closure wigs because they're just so easy and simple to put on. It just literally takes about like 10 to 15 minutes to install. If you want to like do the extra plucking and all of that, then of course there'll be some added time. But to actually like lay the lace on your head and glue it down, it takes about like 5 to 6 minutes. It's just one of the best, easiest wigs, and this wig is so soft and so voluptuous and bouncy and just beautiful. I loved how it turned out. The thing is, with the lace closure wigs, you have to do like a middle part. So y'all see me doing these lace closure wigs and they all kind of look the same. But this hair is very amazing. I love it. And I just love me some lace closures because they're just so easy. So let me know what y'all think about this hair. Let me know if y'all want me to try dyeing a wig next time. But yeah, y'all, so everything about this wig will be down below in the description. So make sure you check out Junoda Wig.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. me.